Hi, and thank you so much for purchasing my sales tracker. This is a very simple spreadsheet for you to be able to calculate your sales for the year. So starting at the top, this shows you the total number of sales that you've had. This will show you the total number of sales that you've had as far as calculating the final sales price. This is calculating your total commission earned. This shows you the total number of leads that you have, and this shows you the largest sale that you've had. So this cell here is the largest sale. And then this is another space for you to type in some goals that you have for the year. Okay, so in the cell, you can double click here and then you can choose your date, your contact name, which would be the client's name, the product name, the source of the lead. You can choose that there. The original sales price, so this is what the item was listed for, so you can change that. This does a simple calculation here of your commission rate. So this is your commission rate of 5%, and this tells you what your possible commission is so that you know what to expect when you're trying to close the deal. And then this column here would be the final sales price. So this would be how much you actually sold it for. So say they took, a couple $1,000s off the top. And then your commission earned would be here under commission earned. And so that calculates this, your sales price times your commission rate is your sales or commission earned. And then lastly, on whether or not you got your commission paid, you can check that box here. So that is your sales tracker in a nutshell. Let me know if you have questions.